Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Um, we're looking right now at ES. London session, opening, quick checkup. What the fuck is going on right now? We are on ETHES. We have the heat map open. We have the 1 minute chart open here with the delta footprint. We have the 5 minute chart open with the delta footprint as well. And VWAP on both. VWAP is down here. And down here. You probably already know why I'm using it or not. I don't know. The algorithm is not really pushing me right now as well. So I'm just like making a video here and start yapping. I don't even know if someone will see it. Anyway, London just opened. What I want to see is, well, we are not done with what the fuck is going on today. Anyway, for today, we are trading above yesterday's POC and above yesterday's value area low. So we are in yesterday's value area currently, very close to VWAP. We went already closer, went beneath it, now going above it again. We have a bunch of zero prints on the 500 level around here from Friday's sell-off. We have also low volume nodes here, so I wouldn't be surprised if price gonna go up here. I kind of want to see that even. Yeah, we see volume profile is balanced for today. So there's not much we can see from today. We see we have more of a capital B shape from here and from here. Yes, yesterday was more on the P side. We had a retrace into Friday's sell-off. Yeah, then rejected on Friday's VWAP though. We didn't went above Friday's VWAP, so I'm hoping that we are either staying below yesterday's VWAP as well, and we are rejecting price and yesterday's value area and continuing going to the downside, or we start respecting yesterday's VWAP and going above for those zero prints and those low volume nodes from Friday. I didn't check if there is any news today. Let me check quickly. Forex Factory. No, it doesn't look like. Doesn't look like we have any news today. Trump made some posts here and there. Nothing important. Okay, cool. Yeah, currently, as you can see, guys, we are trading with very strong volume. Breaking above yesterday's VWAP. We see on the CVD. We're still blasting. Starting to get a small absorption now here. Here's a relatively big sell order. 53 contracts, 45 contracts been sold here. Price went down a little. What is going on the delta footprint? Okay, we see more sellers than buyers on the 1 minute. That's good. We took highs of Asia. Easy going. Highs were taken. Now we might see a rejection from here. And then hopefully we're gonna go back to VWAP, and from there I wouldn't mind to go for a long. Don't want to chase the move now though. Very strong buy move. Very strong buy move now. That's crazy. Okay. Sellers are being absorbed here at the top. They do not manage to push price lower. If you wonder why I'm looking there, I have my trade of A chart there on the side, that's why. Yeah. Okay. Sellers are being absorbed, kind of. Alright. Now we start coming in strong. We see CVD is dropping hard, but we see price is not dropping hard. That's also a great indication for sellers being absorbed. CVD keeps dropping, guys. Look at that drop. But nothing happened regarding price. That means that sellers are not strong enough to push price lower. So we would need a bit more aggressive market buyers in order for price to go higher. And I would really like to see a rejection of yesterday's VWAP. That would be amazing. Friday's VWAP, sorry. If sellers are really, like, if we had very, very strong sellers here, they most likely are going to protect VWAP or going to protect these low volume nodes. So I definitely want to see price going either here to yesterday's VWAP, Friday's VWAP. I keep saying yesterday's VWAP. What the fuck? I mean, Friday's VWAP. Yesterday's VWAP is here. Friday's VWAP, I mean. I want to see price going in there, if not a bit higher. But I want to see that sellers are definitely defending and protecting these low volume nodes and these key levels. Or I want to see an exhaustion happening from the buy side. I want to see an exhaustion happening from the buy side. And then sellers would have to take their chance and push price lower. We are in London session though, so there won't be as much volume as in the New York session. But should be still able to do some. Are we actually recording the right screen? We do, right? I hope we do. Damn, very strong buy move here. Approaching yesterday's value area high. Let's see what we get from there. We have a big sell order. Well, big. Why is it showing here so big? What is that? 4725. 4725, huh? What the fuck? Okay. Okay, we start seeing exhaustion, guys. We had a lot of buyers here. They start fading now. We see also the CVD. Keep an eye on that. We are starting to reject now. Yeah, if we don't like this, if we don't like value here, we're definitely gonna go down. If buyers are not gonna push now aggressively, they would lose momentum eventually and we would go straight back down. I don't think we would agree on price here. Very strong sell move here, but nothing happened as well. Yeah. Now we just wait, guys. Sorry in case this video is boring or something for you. I kind of want to have it also as a journal type of thing for myself. What's my thoughts? how do I think during trade. So I guess I will just let it run. I will also be more active on YouTube because one video got picked up like crazy by the algorithm, the others didn't. So I don't really give a fuck. I just keep uploading. If something gets picked up, then something gets picked up. And I don't want to. I had the videos quite short as well and shit. I'm gonna make it normal. I will just be sitting here and yabbing and doing and talking. That song is very gay. Oh, that's better. Yeah. So if you like it, then cool. Good for you, I guess. If not, then yeah. Whatever. Okay, we see slowly momentum fading. It's getting slower. We are moving slower on these levels here. We have already sellers protecting here. There's also a high volume node. And by the way, guys, also I was doing the mistake a lot that I was only watching the POC, for example, and I was ignoring the other high volume nodes, and that's kind of a big mistake because I have learned that high volume nodes generally, like this one, for example, a lot of people agreed on price. Here was a lot of transactions going on, all buyers and sellers, blah blah blah. We know the procedure. Yeah, it's just not POC, but it's still a high volume node, you know what I mean? So from there on, you could still see a rejection. You could still see a lot of price like stalling kind of, and then just going to the downside because we had a lot of transactions and we didn't agree on price going higher. No. And that could be potentially now what we're gonna see here. But I want to see a strong move. This is not strong enough for me. I really want to see a strong rejection, or this was not a strong rejection, for example. Right now we are fighting for those levels, for those nodes. This playlist is, I don't like that. Some no copyright playlist on YouTube. It's kind of sucks. It's ass. Now it's also a good chance to see if we respect. If we're gonna go down to yesterday's VWAP and we respect it, that's also a good indication. We respect it with strong volume, with absorption, for example. That would also indicate that because we are already above today's value area, that we are just creating a higher value area, or perhaps moving POC to these levels and just respecting price here and going to the upside, clearing those zero prints. Zero prints and low volume nodes. Let's see. Okay, we are approaching. Now I would like to see a strong absorption happening. It's not really an absorption here right now. It's just buyers are stepping in. But that's not really a great absorption here. I want to see CVD dropping hard. I want to see delta contracts like crazy. And I want to see prices not moving down at all. That's a great confirmation for absorption for me. What the fuck? Okay. We're pushing a bit lower. We get more and more delta. We get more and more delta coming in. That song starts already gay. I don't like it. Why is that so annoying? Okay, now we start seeing some type of absorption here. We see the CVDs going lower and lower. Not crazy. We see a lot of delta volume here. Also on the 1 minute. But price is not going lower. We're preparing for an entry. I just need to see aggressive buyers stepping in now. I cannot focus with this music. It's so annoying. Okay. Okay, guys, we are up. I don't know if you heard the order filled, but we are in. We joined here once we saw aggressive buyers stepping in on this candle, basically. Because I saw CVDs dropping, prices going up, I entered quickly. Oh. Targeting previous highs. So we are going up here. Entry here. Target up here. Let's see. Our stop is at 35. It's here. I think I would move my stop a bit lower, just in case. Okay, now it's at 34.75. It's here. It's below VWAP and below that higher volume node on today's volume profile. So let's see. We should stay above. We saw a small rejection. There's also a high chance we're gonna get stopped out, of course. There's always a high chance. So far we are down $75 on 2 accounts. Okay, now 100 on 2 accounts, so 200. 250k evals, by the way, from Tradeify. No affiliate or anything. God damn, this playlist is so bad. Oh my god. I gotta change that. Okay, we're still negative, guys. We're still hovering around this same level. Oh my god. You know what? I'm just gonna play my normal music And I don't really give a fuck about any copyright shit, but this is annoying me. I'm sorry. I cannot. Alright guys, we are positive again, we're green. We are up currently $50 on both accounts. 56 to be honest. Doesn't look good right now actually. CVD is dropping, but I don't see any aggressive buyers stepping in. This is kind of annoying. Target up here, as I said. Stop loss was where? 34.75. Here. Can I draw a position here? I don't know how to draw a position here. What is that? Long position. Hey, cool. Where was my entry? Okay. 34.75. Okay. Here we go. Cool. I actually can draw the position. I like that. Oh, my entry was there actually. My entry is a bit higher. Here's my entry. Okay guys, currently up $100 on each account. Changed my take profit so I have at least a 1 to 3 RR. I didn't like the risk reward. So I went a bit higher. My eval right now is actually in drawdown. Not crazy, like $200 or something. Both of them. But we are almost on break even already. I will not move stop loss to break even. I will just let it run. Yeah, I don't see any aggressive buyers here. I don't like that. Yeah. Fuck. I think we are cooked, guys. I think we are screwed. Okay, now we are getting aggressive with the sell orders here. What is happening? Currently down 150, 180 on both. Oh my god, our stop is about to get filled. We're about to hit stop loss. And
stop filled.
fuck. Yeah, what the fuck, man. Yeah, we are going lower now. Fuck me, Arda. Yeah, well. That was today's London session, guys. Amazing. We're down $500 on our evals. Fuck. Oh my god. What the fuck, man? Why did I enter? This was such a bad entry, yo. Fuck me, Alter. Where is all these fucking aggressive buyers coming from now? What the fuck is going on, bro? Fuck off, dude. For real. Man, this is so annoying, Alter. Why did I enter this trade, yo? Fucking YouTube video, Alter. Now I'm starting to blame shit on something else, bro. What the fuck's going on? Approaching value area high from today. A lot of aggressive fucking sellers now. CVD dropping. Fuck. Should have taken this short, man. Okay, first of all, what I did wrong now, there was no proper setup. I have my fucking setup written here in front of me on my whiteboard. I wanted to see yesterday's VWAP rejection, which is here. I want to see we reject here. And then retrace to the VWAP. And if not, I have written or we show acceptance and trade to Friday's low volume notes, which would be up here. And zero prints, which are up here in these levels. Fuck. Let's see if we reject here.
Order filled.
We're in the short, guys.
Fuck me. Well, I'm done for today, guys. Fuck that shit. I don't want it anymore. Peace out.
Shit session, shit setup. I don't know what I did, man. Anyway, peace out, yo.